And hello everyone, Oliva Susbilla here. Today, may challenge kasi sa akin by kapatid may channel kadungog and through Sisi Shali. So, let's do it. This is the toilet, guys. Toilet bowl. And this is called the bidet. Bidet, okay? Bidet. When you open this one, see. This is for the Arabak already put like this, guys. That is for the kaka, for the pupo, guys. How to clean the puwet, o diba? The puwet. So let's start in this cleaning my bowl, okay? Only this toilet bowl. Of course, style challenge, so I make this.